ZACOE has unveiled its latest creation, the BMW M2 Meister, a widebody kit that transforms the already aggressive M2 into a motorsport-inspired masterpiece. Drawing inspiration from the German touring car masters, the M2 Meister embodies the spirit of racing with its bold design and performance-focused enhancements. The widebody kit includes striking fender flares, a more aggressive front splitter, and a prominent rear diffuser, all of which contribute to the car's menacing stance. The kit not only enhances the M2's aesthetics but also improves its aerodynamics, making it a serious contender on both the road and track. The DTM influence is evident throughout the design, with elements that pay homage to BMW's rich racing heritage. The front end features larger air intakes and a sculpted hood that hints at the car's performance potential. The rear of the M2 Meister is equally impressive, with an oversized wing and quad exhaust tips that deliver both visual drama and improved downforce. ZACOE's attention to detail is apparent in the quality of the materials used and the precision of the fitment. The kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with the M2's existing lines, creating a cohesive and aggressive look. The widebody design not only adds visual flair but also allows for wider tires, improving the car's grip and handling capabilities. Inside, the M2 Meister continues the motorsport theme with a stripped-down, driver-focused cockpit. Racing seats, a roll cage, and Alcantara trim reinforce the car's track-ready nature, while still maintaining the creature comforts expected of a BMW. The overall design is a testament to ZACOE's ability to blend performance with luxury, offering a car that is as comfortable on the track as it is on the road. Underneath the aggressive exterior, the M2 Meister retains the M2's powerful engine, but with the potential for tuning that aligns with its racing-inspired looks. Whether it's tearing up the track or turning heads on the street, the BMW M2 Meister is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. In conclusion, ZACOE's BMW M2 Meister is more than just a widebody kit, it's a statement of intent. Inspired by the high-octane world of DTM, it captures the essence of motorsport while offering a unique and aggressive aesthetic. For enthusiasts looking to stand out from the crowd and experience a taste of racing heritage, the M2 Meister is the ultimate expression of BMW's performance pedigree.